Hey everyone, this is Shubham and welcome to your Java tutorials. So in this video again, I have come up with a Java program which is gonna get generally asked to you guys. Okay, so I'm again coming up with a series where I am all covering the basic Java programs, and it can come up in your examination or in your starting level of interviews. Okay, so without delaying any much, and I'm just gonna say, so you must be given an array. Okay, you must be given an array, and if they're gonna ask you find the maximum value inside it or find the minimum value inside, how are you going to do it? It seems pretty simple, but sometimes we people are stuck, right? It's a simple logic, but again, if you're not going to practice it for a longer period of time, it might miss that particular, you might miss that particular moment, right? So what you're going to do is just very simple. We're going to start with, so you'll take an uh, input array, right? And input array value, I'm gonna assign it as, suppose I'll start with 5 to random array, right? 7, 3, 24, oh sorry, 3, 24, 1, 29, right? Close this, come out. What I'm gonna do, see, I'll write the program and then I'll explain you, I'll write on it and I'll explain you, okay? So I'm gonna take another variable called max and I'm gonna consider that the very first index that is holding a value 5 is maximum for now, right? For now, okay? Then I'm going to start a for loop. I'm going to say very boring counter that we all takes this I till where it should run. Again, very simple, till its length, the array's length, okay? So I'm going to say I've taken it till array's length. Then I'm going to come up and I'm going to increase the counter. I went inside it. Then I'm going to take a condition. The condition is going to be your, see, every time I counter is going to get increased. Your array index, whatever it is going to be, it's going to start with I. If it is greater than the current value of max, which is currently 5, then reassign max variable with the current array's indexed value, okay? Current indexed array's value. Right now it seems pretty, I filled it with a lot of jargons. I'm gonna try to simplify it by dry running it, and we'll do that. First I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna show you whether this generates results or not. So maximum value, right? Maximum or max value, I'll print the max variable, right? Let's run it and let's see the results. I does not give any compilation issue, any kind of logic issue. Okay, something is expected. Oh yeah, always with me. But yeah, let's run it again. Oh, again, it's gonna come because I have not. Damn system. It should be system. Again, let's run it and let's see. 29. What is the maximum value out of it? 29. Now your people are wondering how did it come up. Now let's dry run it. Okay. To dry run it, what I've taken an array, right? Everyone know 29 is the maximum value, but how the logic is getting implemented? So first I've taken a maximum variable, max variable. I've assigned with an initial value of the zeroth index. So zeroth index is what? 5. The value 5, with the value 5 I've assigned the max to. Now when it has come to the for loop, integer I is equal to 1, that means input I. Why I started with 1? Because 0 value already assigned to max. So I started with 1. That means the 1 is 2. It is asking, is 2 greater than 5 or not? No, right? It will break the if block and it will come out. It will say I is equal to 2 because count has got increased I plus plus, right? It will ask I is equal to 2 now. Like I is equal to 2, that means 7. Then it will ask, is 7 is greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. It will come inside it. Now it will reassign the max variable, the value as 7, not 5. Now max holds 7, not 5. Now it will come out again and it will say in for loop that I is equal to 3. Now I is equal to 3 is 3, right? So it will ask, is 3 greater than not 5? Now it is 7 because max's value has got changed, right? So 3 is greater than 7? No, it will break the if loop, it will come out, it will say I is equal to 4. I is equal to 4 is what? 24. It will ask, is 24 greater than 7? Obviously, it will reassign the value of 7. It will reassign the value of max as 24, right? Now, it will come out again. It will say I is equal to 5. 5 is what? 1. 1. It will ask, is 1 greater than 24? Not 7, 24, because max's value has got reassigned. So 1 is greater than 24? Yes. No. Yes. No. It's no. It will break the if loop. It will come out. Now I is equal to 6, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I is equal to 6. 6 value is what? 29. It will ask, is 29 is greater than 24? Yes, of course. It will reassign the value of max as 29. It will now max holds 29. Now our loop got completed. It will come out. It will print the value of max. Now in between, instead of 7, should we put 100? Let's put 100 and let's see what is the result. It should come as 100, right? Correct? No issues? Yes. That's pretty much it. This is what I just wanted to show you guys. And yeah, this is how you're going to find an maximum value in an array, right? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this input I greater than max and switch it to input I lesser than max. What is going to be the result? Let's find out. Let's just find out, okay? Now there's some network issue. That's the issue with online compilers. Why is the value coming in 1? Because now it is trying to find minimum value, right? So that is the case. You just need to write minimum value here, and the loop will run, and the loop will run as its own course. So you just need to change some values over here, and you will say, hey, min and min, and let's just see the stuff. So this just one logic, you can find out minimum and maximum. You just need to change this. I will find 1 for you. Okay, let's say I have removed 1. Now what is the minimum value over here? Is 2, right? Let's run it. It should show you 2. It is showing you 2. Now I'm going to dry run this as well for you guys. Now minimum value. Okay, so I'll just dry run. Is very simple. So quickly I'll dry run. So currently minimum value is what? 5. Come inside the loop. Loop starts with 1. Then it will ask 2 is lesser than 5 or not. Okay. 2 is lesser than 5 or not. Yes, it is lesser than 5. Then assign the minimum value as 2. It will ask 100. 100 is lesser than 2 or not. 100 is lesser than 2 or not. No. It will come out. Next, it will ask 3 is lesser than 2 or not. Nope. Next, it will ask 24 is lesser than 2 or not. Nope. Next, it will ask 29 is lesser than 2 or not. Nope. Now let's completely change all the values and find out if it is seriously finding minimum value or not. So we'll do suppose 99, 224, 77, 123, 300. And what is the minimum value over here? It is 77. Let's see whether it prints 77 for you or not. Oh, something is wrong here. Oh, it is. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah. So let's see whether it prints 77 for you or not. It should print. Yeah. So minimum value is 77. So yeah, with this just basic chain, you can cover up 2 programs, maximum value and minimum value, to find in an array. So this is it. This is pretty much it about this this video. Please provide your feedback, and till that time, thank you so much.